As a weird video, probably not. It's probably not the oh god, greatest video ever made, but I think I'll put it out there anyway. I'll see what I can cobble together from the footage that I recorded. Anyway, if you watched it, and hope it provided some slight entertainment. So yeah, please like and subscribe. View my other efforts on this channel. Let's try and make it up to 100 subscribers. That's my challenge for the near future. Good evening, YouTube. So this week I'm in the middle of Warwickshire again. On my way down this public footpath across a busy main road, well, busy dual carriageway, on way to where I'm going to be camping for tonight. So looks like there's some sort of BMX setup over there, private property. Footage of it there. We head out across some more woodland. And should bring us out into the countryside. Again, I don't know how well used this path is, but it's down here. Area there, next to the next to the road. Let's go back a bit. Let's go on the original path to where I was going to go to first of all. It's brought me out in this wooded glade. Glade? Is that the right word for it? I think that's the right word for it. Old trolley. Now, I've not been to this location ever before, so it's all new to me. I'm not even sure there's going to be a suitable place to camp for tonight, so I'm quite interested to find what I find when I get there. So I'm going to keep walking down here a little bit, and in a little while I will spear left, and there should be some woodland just up here which will be my home for the next 12 hours. I haven't brought much food tonight, just a couple of sandwiches and a bag of crisps. Got plenty of water because it has been warm recently. However, it has cooled down a lot today. So it's been 30 degrees plus during the week. Today is the first day it has actually cooled down. So it's quite nice. Glad I waited till Friday to come and explore. In we go. First thing I see is a saw. Been plenty of people through here previous. Get through there. There's a footpath down here though. Plenty of thorns. I'm on my way down this little path. Walking for a bit now, and where I thought I was going, it's all barriered off. It's too thick to get through. So I'm going to find somewhere around here where I can set my hammock up for the night. So all this is barriered off. I can't get through there. So I'm this side. Need to find somewhere around here might prove suitable. This may not have been a good choice for tonight. I'm feeling this might not be a good choice. This might do just here. The branch been cut down, but this one I could use. Maybe that one there. So I think here might do me very well. Get the flies off my legs. Quite a fall down there, but then I can just put my hammock up and we'll be fine. So let me do that now. This one I'm sleeping on tonight. Oops. This one I'm sleeping on tonight. Just tied that around there. Did a job on it. Nothing major above my head, so hopefully I'll make it to the morning. That's my view. So the area I came to tonight, or today, on the map it looked ideal. Wooded area, densely wooded area, not too far from home, looked good. And when I started it wasn't too bad, but the further I got in it just became overgrown. So there's trees around but nothing suitable to hang a hammock from. I got shorts on, so my legs were getting scratched to pieces on the thorns, and it got a bit dense to get any further. So I popped out here into this field and followed. I traced my route back where I came, but I was skirting around the edge of the field. I found a spot, so the spot I found is just in there. There is quite a steep drop if I exit my hammock on the right. Got to be careful to exit my hammock on the left. I keep seeing this. Any idea? Is that deer poo? I think it might be. Not cooker. The gas stove's been brilliant. Yeah, it's been really good. What's this down here? Look at this. There's an old can down here. Knock the drink over. Okay, let's do that again then. Need a better base. No worries. That's brilliant. I was just saying how good this was. And I managed to knock it over and it's not working now. There we go, it's working again now. I screwed it in too tight. I did a little bit and it seemed to work, so hopefully I won't knock that. Lovely. We're bubbling now. Yeah, managed not to spill it this time. I'm poor about spilling it. Oops. Filled that a little bit. No problem. There we go. So I'm going to let that brew. Get back in the hammock and chill out for a little bit. It's 20 to 9. Sunset's at 9:30, so it's starting to get dark now already. So we'll, yeah, a bit of a relax and listen to the forest sounds. And sounds of the road as well. Remember that. Well, that was a short one. Short. That location was bad. Bail tonight. There we go. Here is the car. Okay, I think I need to